If you're thinking about buying a new construction home this year in 2026, there's one decision that can completely change how the entire process goes. And that is, should I buy an inventory home or should I buy a new build up home from scratch? Many buyers do tend to look at, new build, homes from scratch as, this gives me more control over everything, or looking at inventory homes and see them as just, they're leftovers. I can see how some buyers might look at them and think that, but trust me, no, they're definitely not leftovers. In fact, many builders, they very purposely build a number of inventory homes, and they'll do different customizations and upgrades, but they very purposely build them in order to create quick sale opportunities for themselves. Here's the thing though, because choosing the wrong path between build from scratch or inventory home, it could actually end up delaying your move, could end up costing you more money, or it could make the entire process way more stressful than it needs to be. So in this video, let's talk about the real differences between the two in order to help you decide which one is going to make the most sense for you. One of the biggest things I am seeing right now, especially for those that need to sell their house in order to buy a new construction home, but that is they walk in thinking, I just want the best deal, or I want the nicest home, or just, I want something brand new. And listen, there's definitely nothing wrong with that, with looking for those things when you're looking to buy a new build home. However, what I do find that they oftentimes don't always realize is just how different the experience can be depending on the different path that they choose. Hey, real quick, if this is your first time here, my name's Jose and I am your SoCal Realtor. Here we help Inland Empire homeowners sell smart, buy their next home better so that they can move with confidence. And if that's you, if you are looking to make a move, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is below. We help people just like you every single day. But enough about that. Let's go and get back to it. So let's start here looking at inventory homes. These, for the most part, these are homes that a builder has already finished building, or they're maybe just about done building. They're almost there. But for the most part, there might be some customization or some upgrades you can do. But for the most part, what you see with an inventory home is what you get. But what I do find, a lot of buyers, they come in and they start assuming, why is there a completely built, unsold home? I mean, there must be something wrong with it, right? No, not at all. It's like I said just a moment ago, in fact, many builders actually build inventory homes for speed, to be able to get the home sold, to be able to hit their timelines, their quotas quarterly. It's about numbers and it's about timelines. But what really does matter for you though is inventory homes give you speed and certainty, because you can usually close on the purchase of your new construction home. The inventory home, 30, maybe 40 days. The timelines are much more similar to buying a resale home, or basically a home that's being sold by a homeowner. But also, you already know the price. There's no surprises. It's similar to buying a resale home. The price on the first day that you see that home, it's going to be the same price that you're paying at the close of escrow. And oftentimes, you can lock in incentives or lower interest rates right now. You're not waiting for the home to be finished being built. Now, comparing that to buying a new build home that's being built from scratch, this is where people do tend to start thinking, I can get everything I want. Sure, you do get to choose some upgrades or customizations to your home as it's being built. I mean, you'll visit the design center and be able to select, hey, I wanted to do that or that. But just the point though is it's not unlimited. You are limited to whatever options they have available for you. Also, you don't get to control the timeline as to when your home's going to be available for you to move in. I mean, you're kind of held to whenever it's done being built, which generally can take a few months for that. Buying a new build home, a home that's being built from scratch, it's not just about fun customizations. Okay, so maybe there is some fun, but it's just that there is a lot more to it than just that. There's months of decisions involved when buying a new build home. A home that's being built from scratch. In fact, there's potential for delays for the home to even be finished being built and available for you to move in. Don't get me wrong, delays usually don't happen too often, and even if they do, it's usually not that long from what I've seen, usually maybe a week or two. Just there's There's any number of reasons why a delay could happen, though. I mean, you could have delays in, the delay in availability of materials for to build the house, or maybe delays in, delays in the availability of the city to come in and do their inspection clearances. My point, though, is just this: if you're trying to time everything up, meaning you're trying to sell your current house in order to buy your new construction, your ground up from scratch new construction home, I mean, like I just said, there could be potentially delays with that. And now, don't get me wrong, there are a few things you can do to help you with this. But listen, if there are delays and everything went well, everything went too well because your house already sold, I mean, that could get a little tricky. If you are looking at buying new construction this year as a real possibility for yourself, I put together a free guide on how to buy a new construction home. It walks you through everything you need to know, everything involved with buying new construction, as well as what you should be watching out for before you do sign anything. You can grab it after the video, but you'll find the link down below. Now, the question I would recommend you asking is not so much, okay, Jose, so which one's better? Instead, it's which one fits my situation right now? Because once you pick the right direction, the right path, yeah, everything gets a lot easier. I would say that inventory homes typically make more sense if you need to move quickly, or you want more certainty when it comes to your monthly payment, or you're trying to line up selling your current house with the purchase of your new construction home, or you just don't want months of decision making ahead of you. On the flip side of that, though, buying a new build up from scratch home might make more sense for you if you have a little more flexibility with your timeline, or you're okay with the process taking anywhere from 6 to maybe even as much as 9 months for your home to finish being built and ready for you to move in. Or you want to personalize your home with, like I said earlier, within the builder's limits of availability, of course. Or you're comfortable with any potential uncertainty that could come along the way. I get it, this can sometimes start to feel a little complex or maybe even overwhelming, but this is something we help our clients with all the time. So if that is you, if you are buying new construction, my contact info is below, feel free to reach out. But here's something that I do find that many homeowners that are looking to make a move don't always realize. Even after you've chosen your path, whether that's inventory, whether that's build up from scratch, the bigger mistake for many people is oftentimes what ends up coming next. Meaning, I've met with a number of people that made a bunch of decisions with getting their house sold and the purchase of their new home, only to have 6 months go by and regret those decisions, regret it all, regret their move. Trying to think, what should we have done differently? So before you do make any decision, definitely before you make any moves, let me walk you through thinking and planning everything through, making sure that everything is thought out so that when you make that move into your new home, you love your new home for years and years to come. Definitely click here, watch this one next where we go through all that together. I'll catch you over there.